The million-dollar question is, what is it going to cost me to meet with you, Mr. Simon? What is it going to cost to have your law firm handle my case? And there's a very simple answer for that. We work on a contingency fee basis. And what that means is we don't get paid unless we recover money for you. We get paid last at the end of the case, not at the beginning. We don't work on retainers. We don't charge you by the hour. We don't bill you by the minute. We charge you if we win your case, so our interests are aligned with yours. We want to win your case and work up your case in the most efficient manner possible to maximize the value of it, because our compensation is contingent upon yours. But the best thing about the contingency fee practice is just leveling the odds. Corporations in this country and healthcare providers, they've got plenty of resources and power. We represent individuals. We do represent businesses, but we represent individuals who have been harmed or injured, and we know that they can't afford to pay the retainers that these corporations pay these tall building lawyers, or their hourly fees, $800 an hour. We want to lower the barriers by which someone can file a case and proceed to vindicate their right to a trial by jury. That's why we want to do it. It enables a person with no resources to go up against a corporation with infinite resources, because they are on the same level playing field when they go into that courtroom. Sure, they can bombard your attorney with all kinds of stuff and documents and paper and stuff that doesn't matter. And having the right attorney means they know what's important, what's not important, and focus on the end goal, which is trying your case and getting a victory at trial. We wish we could have the harm become undone from someone, right? We wish we could bring back their healthy child or their deceased relative. We wish we could press a button and do that. Unfortunately, we can't do that. And we have a system of justice, and justice in the form of a monetary allotment. And what we work to do is to balance the harms and losses. And we ask the jury, using their voice in the form of monetary compensation, to balance the harms and losses, balance the scales. Right now, they're like this. We want that corporation or entity or defendant to balance the harms, and we ask the jury to make them do it. In terms of why choose the Simon Law Firm when there are dozens of lawyers out there advertising and maybe could get you a quick settlement, that's really not our business model. Our business model is more about quality than it is about quantity. We want to maximize the value of every case that we take. And what that means is taking it, filing a lawsuit, and really engaging in some discovery and investigating to find out what the case is really worth. Do your due diligence, you ask the right questions, and you get on the courthouse steps when the case is finally going to be adjudicated and turned over to a jury. I think that's the right way to practice law, because that's what our jury system is for. That's why we have discovery. It's finding the truth. It sounds cliche, but the truth really does set you free. And what the truth does is put fear into the defendant of trying that case. It really puts their feet to the fire and holds them accountable for what they've been doing and what they did to you. And more importantly, it's your right. It's your right. These are the laws that have been passed for us, for our benefit, to engage in discovery, to truly investigate what happened, and to present it to a jury. There's nothing more American than that.